If you're tired of stubbing your toe on a sinister stool or crashing your head on a callous cabinet in the middle of the night, you aren't alone. It would probably help if you could actually see so you can avoid those ostentatious obstacles. Well, as luck would have it, all you need is a light like this. Hi everybody, I'm Corey from RecPro, and this is the 12-volt Double Dome Pancake RV Light, SL-8080. The dimensions for this light are 4 3/4 inch in height by 12 1/4 inch in width by 2 1/8 inch in depth. A few features about this light: it is super easy to install in a wide variety of locations where you might need to shed a little light. It features 2-wire direct connection using 18 AWG wiring powered by 12-volt DC power. It features a strong white ABS housing with an equally strong and rather stuck on there clear polycarbonate lens. It uses 2 replaceable type 921 halogen bulbs, which I'm not going to take out because, just like the lens, they are firmly stuck in there. If you like what you see and you want to know more, click the link in the description below. If you want to see more of what RecPro has to offer in the future, like this video and slap that subscribe button. And remember, when you're rolling down the road, roll with RecPro.